Have you heard of LearnTech? No? You might be wondering, what the heck is LearnTech? Well, I'm glad you asked. LearnTech, or Learning Technologies as it's more formally known, is Europe's leading showcase of organisational learning and the technology used to support learning at work. Last year, there was over 8,000 attendees at the event, and there was over 200 exhibitors, including the likes of LinkedIn Learning, Moodle, and Adobe. Here's our top 3 reasons you should attend LearnTech this year. The exhibition is completely free. There is a conference that's a paid event, however access to the exhibition floor and the talks that are on are free. This means access to hundreds of consultants, experts and advisors who can help guide and shape your digital and learning strategy, educating you on the extensive range of technology available on today's market. So whether you're looking for a new management solution to create new learning content, to train your own staff, or simply looking to network, there will be something there for you. Across the 2-day event, there will be 12 theatres running back-to-back talks on the exhibition floor. With hundreds of speakers from different organisations, the talks are varied and cover a wide range of topics, from building a growth mindset to augmented reality, and from blended learning to innovations in management solutions. There's bound to be something that tickles your fancy. You can learn more about our favourites from last year from the blog below in the comments. This is the big one, the one everyone's talking about. I can now confirm the rumours circulating in the media. accessplanit will once again be exhibiting at LearnTech in stand M50. If you haven't heard of us, we're creators of an award-winning training management system, trusted by hundreds of training organisations worldwide. Our mission is simple and our message is clear. We want to rid the world of manual processes, and we won't stop until training administration is nothing more than ash and embers on the ground. We can help you to automate processes, save money, and help to grow your business. So there you have it, our 3 big reasons you should get yourself down to Excel London on the 12th and 13th of February. If those reasons still haven't done it for you, it's worth going down just for a few freebies. Speaking of freebies, if you book a slot via the link below before the 31st of Jan with one of accessplanit's experts, we'll send you a welcome pack in the post and even prepare you a little goodie bag to take home from LearnTech. If you're looking to scale your training business in 2020, these could be the most important dates to have in your diary. Hope to see you there.